have to set each and everything so that it should not be break or something like that.
खत्म, बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Simranjeet Kaur. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. And today I don't know what I'm gonna do. I've just settled down and I've just clicked the record button and I've just started talking with you guys. And yeah, but I have a look in my mind, like I want to create that, but I don't know कि मैं वो create कर पाती हूँ कि नहीं जो मैंने सोची है. And one more thing, if you follow me on Instagram, so you have seen my story. Like I have posted a story on my Instagram, like I want to make a Q&A video, like you ask me some question that I have to answer it. So in today's video I'm gonna do that. Like I've just do makeup, and side by side I will answer your all questions which you have asked me. And some of the people, seriously I'm telling you, asked me some like random silly questions. Like I don't want to answer that, so sorry if I don't answer your that silly questions. And yeah, now without wasting any time, we just jump straight to the video. So here are some questions like you all asked me. So like I've told you earlier, and I'm not going to answer any silly question. So the first question is any skincare routine for normal skin type, because I want to try a routine and I know nothing about it. Okay, so like I'm reading the questions. I will not going to take names who asked about it, so I'm just directly answering. You can go in, like in morning you can go for a cleanser lotion, and then toner, and then you can go for any antioxidant serum, something like that. And then you have to moisturize your skin, which includes SPF, and a moisturizer which includes a little SPF in it, so it's enough for you. And then like for night care, you can just go for, again you can go for a cleansing toner and then a serum. And one more thing, like you can go for an eye cream, like for your dark circles and all. And then you can use a hydrating moisturizer. So I've just answered a first question. Now I have to start for the makeup also. So first of all, I'm gonna use a proper, like I'm not gonna use today sugar moisturizer and primer plus that product. I'm gonna use this Nivea Soft to moisturize my skin. Then I thought, why don't I use some drugstore products? So second question is any best facial oil. I have shown you which is the best facial oil, that is Milagro, which Milagro facial oil, which I use, and it is a really best product which I ever used. I will show you, I will give a link in description box, like which product you can use for your skincare routine and like a best facial oil. So आप जो like questions पूछोगे, जिस चीज़ में products मैं बताऊंगी, तो मैं उन सबका description box में एक link डाल दूँगी. वैसे बातें करते करते मेरी वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा slow बन रही है, but चलो कोई बात नहीं, but I have promised you, so I have to do that. Now I'm going for this Prep Me Up Nykaa primer. जैसे कि मैंने आपको अपनी सारी मतलब और वीडियोस में से बताया कि मेरा टी जोन ज़्यादा ऑयली रहता है, तो मैं सबसे पहले मैं वही लगाती हूँ. उसके बाद जो बचता है वो मैं सारा अपने फेस पे स्प्रेड कर लेती हूँ. Now I have prepared a smooth canvas for my makeup. Today for my foundation I'm going to use this PAC 258 brush to blend it, and obviously I'm going to use this Lakme and Fit Me foundation. as I always do, I mix it and then just apply it, and I'm just gonna just go for same today. Don't forget to apply on your neck. कि मैंने बहुत से लोग देखे हैं जो सिर्फ अपने फेस पे लगा लेते हैं और नेक पे नहीं लगाते, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा गंदा और वो बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब लगता है. Just take 2 pump of this ivory shade. It's really tough to make a video and talk. It's taken so long to make a video. Like I'm using a brush today. Someone asked me another question. I just read it, like what is the difference between a sponge and a brush? Like we just don't call it a sponge, it's just like a beauty blender. So like there is a difference. Like जो आपका beauty blender है वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छे से आपकी फाउंडेशन को blend करेगा as compared to brush. Like if you are a beginner, if you go directly with the brush, you want to blend your foundation with the brush, you will find some difficulty to blend it. Like you will blend it, but वो सारा ना ऊपर रह जाएगा. So first you just try to blend it with beauty blender only. Then you just go for brush. Someone said a brief description on color correcting. Okay. For color correction, I have uploaded a video. If you haven't seen, so you can just go and check it out. But that is not in a brief. Like I've just given a little, like some little detail about the correct color correction. But if you want to make a video on that, I will make sure that I'm going to shoot on that also. So don't worry about that. Like मैं आपको थोड़ा ऊपर से बता सकती हूँ कि like क्या आपको यूज़ करना चाहिए. Like for your reddish or your pimples and your acne, you can just go for that green color. If you have like heavy dark circles, you just have to go for that orange color. That will correct your skin. And if you have very light dark circles like I have, so you can just go for a yellow corrector and it will correct your skin. Now I'm going to apply this Swiss Beauty concealer under my eyes. I just started liking to make like this on my forehead. So there's another question, like how do you use your beauty blender? How do you use your beauty blender? First of all, I don't use a dry beauty blender to blend my foundation. It will not going to blend your foundation. Like I'm using this beauty blender and it's also wet, it's damp. If you want to, you know, like blend your foundation, blend your concealer, anything you want to blend very properly, you have to use this damp beauty blender, not a dry one. Dry one is just for you know, like packing your under eyes, something like that, not for, you know, like to blend foundation. Many of you make this type of mistake by using a dry beauty blender instead of wet beauty blender. So make sure you should use a wet beauty blender. I'm gonna use this Color Bar face powder to pack my under eyes. I'm using its sponge only, the given sponge. ओके पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है कि मेरा सारा का सारा सामान ना नीचे गिर जाएगा. And I'm not ready for that type of shit. As I've told you already that I am having a dry skin type person. I'm having dry skin, so I'm just taking it off. First of all, I'm going to shape my eyebrows. Again, I'm just going for this Revlon Color State for my eyebrows. see this now. Every time whenever you try to make your eyebrows, you just make sure you are just taking little strokes, not like this and this. Okay, and every time you just start with this middle part, not from the starting, because you have more color in starting. So you just go for here and just come here. Okay, for this eye. So now for my crease, I've just taken this proper fluffy brush. So for my crease, I'm just taking this brown color. Every time I have got a question like where we have to put the color, every time you just make sure जहाँ पे ये आपकी आईज बंद होती है ना, यहाँ जैसे मेरी आईज है वो यहाँ बंद हो रही है, कैन सी। अब मैं कलर यहाँ डिपॉजिट करूँगी ताकि मेरा यहाँ ऊपर तक वो ब्लेंड होते होते ऊपर तक ज़रूर आ जाए। कलर वहाँ डिपॉजिट करो जब आपकी आईज बंद होती है, और वहाँ से ब्लेंड होते होते वो अपने आप वहाँ तक पहुँच जाएगा कि ताकि वो दिख जाए। ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग कलर here only, and then I will just blend it so properly, and I will just take it up. You just see what I'm doing. It's a very simple trick. First you just deposit the color and just do it like this circular motion, and you will just going to blend it. Now I'm just gonna take this pinky color. I've just taken this pink color to create a depth. Today I really don't know that what I am doing. Now I'm just taking this Beauty Glaze palette, and I'm just going to take this color. Check out the pigmentation. अब पिगमेंटेशन हम देख लिया, अब देखते हैं कि लगा हुआ कैसा लगता है.
Oh my god. Seriously? I'm seriously impressed with this palette. This palette is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So nice. I'm really loving this palette. Oh my god, this is looking so good.
मुझे आप लोगों का तो नहीं पता, बट मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लुक लग रहा है.
Oh my god.
Again, I'm just taking this pinky color, just making it depth. ये वाला ब्रश थोड़ा सा जो फॉल ऑफ हुआ है उसको थोड़ा सा क्लीन अप कर ले इसका.
Oh my god. आपको लग रहा होगा कि मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर रही हूँ, बट सीरियसली मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लग रही है लुक. मैं क्या बोलूँ आप लोगों को, अभी कंप्लीट भी नहीं हुई है, बट ये जो मैंने डाला है ना भाई, मैं बहुत ही सही पैलेट है ये.
It's a really good investment, you know. Honestly speaking, I've just purchased this Delancey palette, and you can just see कि अगर आप देखो तो आपको लगेगा कि सेम ही टेक्सचर है इसका, बट ये जो सी है पिगमेंटेशन नज़र आई, बट जब मैं इसको अप्लाई करके देखो, जब इसको अप्लाई करती हूँ और ये साफ़ भी हो रही है, तो ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी सही लगी. मैंने पता नहीं ली भी कितने की थी, 1500 या 1600 की मिली थी मुझे, तो ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी अच्छी लगी. You can just go for this Beauty Glaze palette. It is really very nice palette, you know. Its color, its texture, and everything is very nice, you know. Like you are not going to think that I wasted my money.
थोड़ा भावनाओं में मैं ज़्यादा लगा गई.
Now I'm just taking this like a pencil brush type. Now I'm just going for this color for my under eyes. And for my like थोड़ा यहाँ के लिए ना मैं यही वाला कलर थोड़ा सा पिक करा मैंने, थोड़ा ये आगे की तरफ में लगा रही हूँ. Now I'm gonna I think it required some liner. Should go for that. Just go for that. In this Maybelline Glossal liner. You know, if you have any problem to like apply liner, just always try to start with the mid and then you just go for your inner part. Okay. Like I practice a lot, so I can easily, you know, apply from starting from the inner part. So if you're new and you just don't want to mess it up, so you can just go for that. एक हल्का सा मैंने विंग दे दिया, ज़्यादा नहीं. Oh wow. अब इस पे लैशेस भी अगर लग जाएंगे तो बहुत सही हो जाएगा ये लुक. Now I'm gonna use this Walk Free mascara. So now it's turn for lipstick. How can I forget the
blush. I just forgot about the blush. And concealer also, and highlighter also. Oh my god.
Seriously, do let me know in the comment section that you seriously like this video or not, and did you like this look or not, because I really love this look which I have created. It's something, you can say that it's colorful, but yeah, it's just like something different from my other looks. So please, like I have tried something new, please do appreciate it and please give big thumbs up to my video.
क्या मेरी नाक पट्टी लग रही है? अगर नहीं लग रही है अभी लगेगी. क्या अब लग रही है? Yes.
सॉरी मेरी पागलपंतियों के लिए, अगर आप लोग देख रहे हो तो. Now it's turn for lipstick. I think इसके साथ nude lipstick ही जाएगी, because if I tried to apply something any darker shade, I will look like a clown, like an idiot. I'm going for this Delancey lipstick. It's a really darker shade of nude. Let me see how it's looking like. ठीक लग रही है वैसे तो. But how can we stop at one lipstick only? What about this lipstick? I'm just using this Mion highlighter, Rose Gold. लुक के ना मैं अभी ज़्यादा हाइलाइटर नहीं लगाना चाहूँगी, से लग तो गया. You can see this glow. So yeah guys, that is it. Whole process is completed. एक और क्वेश्चन जरा हम ले लेते हैं कि हमसे क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं. Someone said this: I really loved your sea green ombre look. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. to appreciate me and appreciate my videos. I just say thanks to you. Thank you so much. Then one more thing, from where do you usually buy makeup products? Usually I buy my makeup products from Nykaa, and there are some Instagram pages like Royalishes and a Makeup and Obsession page, so you can just check it out. I will just put a link for their pages in the description box. You can check it out. And sometimes I buy from Amazon also. If something is not available on Nykaa and Makeup and Obsession and Royalishes, I just go for Amazon. And someone asked me, which do curve of eyelashes or it look bad if I apply it without makeup, and yeah, how to apply that. जो आपने लिखा है वो मैं इतना नहीं समझ पाई हूँ, बट जहाँ तक मैं समझ पाई हूँ उसका मतलब ये है कि हम कैसे कर्व करें अपने आईलैशेस को, और अगर मैं कर्व करती हूँ, अगर मैं कोई मेकअप नहीं अप्लाई करती तो बहुत गंदा लगता है, तो कैसे करूँ। आपको ज़्यादा मेकअप भी नहीं लगाना, तो यू कैन जस्ट गो फॉर दिस। ये कलर बार का है, जैसे आईलैश कर्लर। You can just take this and then you just curl it your eyelashes, and then just you can just apply mascara over it. That's it. But you have to like apply lots and lots of coating of mascara, then it will look good. Do let me know if it helped you or not. Okay, और भी questions हैं but वो सारे similar ही हैं, तो मैंने जितने मैं दे सकी तो मैं दे चुकी जवाब. So once again, so yeah guys, that is it. This was the look. So I'm just please ignore my hair, they are not setting. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, मेरे बाल भी सेट ही नहीं हो पा रहे हैं अभी. So just forget it and just concentrate on my look. So guys, do let me know in the comment section, do you really like this look? If you want me to create more looks like this, so you can just let me know in the comment section, or you can just DM me on Instagram. Or if you create this look, so please don't forget to tag me in your stories if you really like create this look. And आज पता नहीं मुझे क्या हुआ, और मैं बहुत पागलों वाली हरकतें कर रही हूँ, but sorry for that. And I hope you all enjoyed it, and do share it with your family and friends. And yeah, I will meet you super soon in my next video, and it's a promise that I will meet you super soon. Like, I'm not going to delay for like 1 month like I've done this time. Like after 1 month I have recorded a video, I've shoot a video, so I'm so sorry for that. So yeah, bye bye guys, love you.